So you can see U.S. market is opening about even, but NASDAQ is in the red. So again, this tech sell-off is still ongoing. And this morning, we saw Bitcoin come down a little bit, 28.2, slightly down from 28.5, 29, around there, right? But overall, we're still in this range. But the main thing I've been noticing is Bitcoin dominance and how that has just spiked. Even from yesterday to today, Bitcoin dominance spiked about 1 percentage point. And that's because altcoins are getting absolutely wrecked right now, okay? You go down the list, even Ethereum, which used to hold just as strong as Bitcoin, is down double Bitcoin today, okay? Almost 10%. You go down the list, there's a lot of 7%, 9%, 11% downs, Avalanche down 16%. I mean, it is brutal right now with altcoins, okay? So I've been telling you guys about the 50-25-25 rule, okay? And a lot of people don't listen when things are up, because I get it, altcoins are very, very strong when things go up. But during times of uneasiness, times of fear, times of geopolitical issues, okay, whenever there is any kind of major correction or any correction, you want to utilize Bitcoin for its strength, right? That's why 50% in Bitcoin, that's important. When we have times like this, it definitely helps tremendously versus having a large altcoin position, right? So I did want to lead off with that. Altcoin dominance is just falling. It's tanking right now. Bitcoin dominance is going up. Bitcoin overall is still holding within its range, but let me show you this. I pulled up, if you go into like Bitcoin dominance, you could see previous times. So if you go back, let's just go back all. Previous times, Bitcoin dominance has always been very high. Very, very, very high. In the 80s, 90%. Right? In 2017, that's when things changed with the introduction of Ethereum and stable coins and everything else. Bitcoin dominance dropped, but still, it got up to, at its peak during that bull run in 2017. Bitcoin dominance still went up to about 61%. But then we had crypto winter. Crypto winter brought Bitcoin dominance at its peak of 71%. And since that period, which is the start of 2021, when we had a tremendous year, especially for altcoins, Bitcoin dominance starts to drop, right? But now if you zoom in from that point, right, obviously in 2021, about mid-2021, around March timeframe, Bitcoin did drop. But altcoins dropped even more. So there was like a major correction, but you could see at that point, at that low point, Bitcoin dominance dropped about 40%, and then it jumped up to about 48%. That's when altcoins dropped more than Bitcoin during that correction, right? So 48%, and there was a time where it went back up to about 46.5%. So as it stands right now, we are, 45.5%? So if we mimic Street Guru, but thanks for joining. So if we mimic what happened in 2021, when altcoins also bled out, Bitcoin dominance can go up another 3% from here, at least, from 45% to 48%. And maybe that's when we taper off and things start recovering a little more, at least in terms of the altcoins. And then altcoins, you can see after hitting that, went down to about 41%, went up to 46%, and then it started coming down from there, right? So we could see altcoin dominance drop further and Bitcoin dominance go up to about 48%, or maybe it goes up even a little bit higher if we continue this trend. But I did want to show you guys that Bitcoin dominance, altcoin dominance, it's important at times, and I haven't talked about it in a while, so I just want to pinpoint that out. But yeah, that's what's happening right now, okay? There's definitely a lot of fear still. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. FUD is driving the market right now. But I will say this, Bitcoin is still within its range, hasn't gone lower. We haven't breached 25,000. We haven't done anything other than to just still stick within this range. And I